In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, residents have been plagued by a mysterious and faint low-frequency hum in the desert air. Known as the Taos hum, it is heard by a small percentage of the population and often described as a distant diesel engine idling. Despite various investigations including environmental tests and auditory research, scientists and researchers have not been able to determine its source or why only some people can hear it. This unexplained phenomenon has sparked a wide range of theories, including unusual acoustics, secret government projects, and more esoteric explanations like alien communications.